Hello 6th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing about the lesson natural numbers and whole numbers. Now coming to the topic simplification. This also you have learnt in the 5th standard, but we will revise it again, and in this year you will be having a little bit higher level sums. Okay. While solving the numerical expression, we use the DMAS rule. Remember the DMAS rule? Last year you have learnt. D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. Isn't it? So you have to use the DMAS rule. First we have to do division. Next it is multiplication, next it is addition, and then the subtraction for simplification. Now in this year you will be having the brackets also. So numerical expression involving brackets. So the simplest one is the round bracket, next it is the curly bracket, and then next it is the square bracket. So it is from inside to out. It is a round bracket, curly bracket, and the square brackets. Okay. So there is a BODMAS rule. DMAS rule is written as a BODMAS rule at the higher classes. It is B for bracket, O for off. Off means again the multiplication, but if you write off, then it is multiplication, then DMAS. BODMAS. Now coming to example 15. Simplify 27 minus 5 plus curly bracket 28 minus round bracket 17 minus 7 and brackets close. As I have told you earlier. So innermost it is the round bracket, next comes the curly bracket, next comes the square bracket. Is it clear? Now we will simplify this. Always when you simplify from in to out, the simplification is from in to out. Remember this. So it is a question 27 minus square bracket 5 plus curly bracket 28 minus round bracket 17 minus 7. You should remember, we have to simplify the innermost first. So first the round bracket. So underline that first. Whichever you are going to simplify, solve, that you have to underline. So 17 minus 7. So first whatever is there, write as it is, with all the expressions, the brackets and all, minus. So 17 minus 7 is 10. So round bracket is removed. Now next comes the curly bracket. So underline this. We have to solve this. So it is 27 minus 5 plus 28 minus 10 is 18. Now curly bracket is gone. Now the square bracket. Underline this. It is 27 minus 8 plus 5 is 13. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 27 minus 23 is how much? Answer is 4. Hope you understood. So stepwise you have to go on simplifying. Okay. Now next sum is 45 minus 38 minus curly bracket 60 divided by 3 minus round bracket 9 minus 7 plus 3, close all the brackets. Now the numbers in the round bracket we have to see. But here the subtraction is first, the addition is later. So we have to rearrange it. First addition, then subtraction. So पहले जो भी दिया है वैसे ही लिखो, ठीक है, इधर तक वैसे ही लिखो। अभी ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो भी है, राउंड ब्रैकेट के अंदर, उसको रीअरेंज करो। सो 9 + 3 - 7. सो -7 बाद में, सब्ट्रैक्शन बाद में, एडिशन पहले, तो +3 - 7। अभी एडिशन को अंडरलाइन करो। सो उधर तक सेम लिखते जाने का है। 60 / 3 माइनस ब्रैकेट ओपन, ब्रैकेट के अंदर का 3 नंबर है तो अलग अलग करने का है। 9 + 3 is 12 - 7 brackets close. Now underline 12 - 7. 38 curly bracket 60 / 3 minus 12 - 7 is how much? It is 5. Okay. Now within the curly bracket, it is division and subtraction. So according to DEMAS rule, first it is division. Underline that. So 45 minus bracket 38 minus curly bracket 60 / 3. 3 2s are 6 and 0. So 23s are 60. Isn't it? -5. अगर आपको तकलीफ होता है तो रफ वर्क में 60 / 3 करो। Now 45 minus 38 minus 20 minus 5. Underline, you got how much? 15. So curly bracket gone. Now it is 45 minus, underline the subtraction. So 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Now underline this. You got 5 minus 3 is 2 and 4 minus 2 is 2. Is it clear? It's a lengthy process, but you have to slow and steady wins the race, isn't it? You have to have the patience. Now coming to the worksheet 9 sums, the simplification. It's a 25 plus 14 divided by 5 minus 3. First bracket, so underline 5 minus 3. So it is 25 plus 14 divided by 5 minus 3 is 2. Next it is division. 25 plus 2, how much are 14? 2 sevens are 14. Now underline addition. So it is 25 plus 7 is 32. Okay. Now coming to the second sum. It's within the bracket, subtraction is there, division is there. Within the bracket, again we have to think of the DEMAS rule. So underline division. So it is 3 minus bracket 5 minus 3, how much are 6? 3 2s are 6. Now underline 5 minus 2. So 3 minus 5 minus 2 is 3. Underline 3 minus 3. Answer is 0. Okay. Now coming to the third sum. It's a 36 minus 12 plus, so we have to solve the bracket, round bracket के अंदर वाले पहले, तो इधर मल्टीप्लिकेशन है डिवीजन है, तो पहले क्या करने का है, डिवीजन, isn't it? So bracket open, 3 into 2, how much the 10? 2 5s are 10. Now 36 minus 12 plus 3 5s are, it is 15. Now 36 minus, add 5 plus 2 7, 1 plus 1 2, abhi subtraction. 6 minus 7 means 16 minus 7 is 9, 2 minus 2 is 0. Hope everyone is understanding. Stepwise you have to do the sums. Now coming to the fourth sum, we have to first round bracket. So till there as it is, you have to go on writing 7 minus curly bracket 2 plus underline 4 minus 3, that is 1, close the brackets. Next step, 20 minus 3 minus square bracket 7 minus curly bracket के अंदर 2 plus 1, add, you will get 3, close square bracket. Next 20 minus 3 minus, here it is 7 minus 3 is 4. Now both are subtraction, so first you subtract these two. 20 minus 3 is 17 minus 4. Now you subtract 17 minus 4 is 13. Okay. Now coming to the fifth sum, it is a 15 plus square bracket 18 minus curly bracket 4 plus underline 16 minus 5, it is 11. Now underline the curly bracket, isn't it? 15 plus square bracket 18 minus 11 plus 4 is 11 plus 4 is 15. Now underline 18 minus 15, so it is 3. Underline 15 plus 3, answer is 18. Okay. Now coming to the sixth sum. In sixth sum we have got a fraction. So usually the fraction decimal सब रहता है, तो रफ वर्क में आप लोगों को उसको सॉल्व करके फिर इधर लिखना पड़ता है. लास्ट ईयर आप लोग देखे हैं, there was a simplification about the whole numbers, then the fraction and the decimals. So same method, but the calculation part according to the fractions and decimal. You know, last year you have learned all the operations on fractions and decimals, so that you have to solve. So now within the bracket, first it is the round bracket, so division first. 4 how much are 8? 4 2s are 8. Write this 2 as it is, plus 2. Now 22 minus 4, 1 by 4, 16 minus, in the round bracket 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, now 22 minus 1 by 4 bracket 16 minus 4, underline, it is a 12, sorry. Now the curly bracket will be removed, isn't it? But here curly bracket निकालने के वक्त इधर कुछ नहीं है, प्लस माइनस नहीं है. जब प्लस माइनस नहीं है, डायरेक्टली ब्रैकेट है, तो दैट मीन्स इट इज अ मल्टीप्लिकेशन. So remember, so I'll rewrite this, minus 1/4. When you remove this bracket, जब इधर प्लस माइनस नहीं है तो इसका मतलब बनता है multiply by whatever you get the answer. Okay? Now, first multiplication करने का, subtraction multiplication है तो multiplication करने का, तो आपको ये राइट साइड में सॉल्व करने का है. 1/4 into 12. 4 1s are 4 3s are. Remember लास्ट ईयर फ्रैक्शन का लेसन था, तो कैंसलेशन, isn't it? So answer is 3. So 22 minus 3. इधर आंसर आया 3. अंडरलाइन 22 minus 3 is 19. Is it clear? Hope everyone understood. So जब भी ब्रैकेट के लेफ्ट साइड में प्लस माइनस नहीं रहेगा तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन डालने का है, और ये जो फ्रैक्शन का सम रहेगा डायरेक्टली आप लोगों को नहीं करने को होगा, तो राइट साइड में उसको सॉल्व करो और वैल्यूज लिखो. नाउ कमिंग टू द सेवेंथ सम. All are 18 but the signs, isn't it? So 18 minus 18 minus bracket 18. So राउंड ब्रैकेट का अंदर का पहले सॉल्व करो. 18 minus 18 is 0 minus 18. Now 18 minus 18 minus 18 minus 0 is 18 minus 18 is how much? 0. So कर्ली ब्रैकेट के अंदर क्योंकि 0 है इसके वजह से सबको एक साथ माइनस ली. Now 18 minus 0 is 18. Now 18 minus 18 is 0. Okay. Now coming to the last sum, it is 150 minus 70 minus curly bracket 60 minus राउंड ब्रैकेट के अंदर है ना, ये वाला पहले करने का है. So 30 plus 20 is 50 minus 10. Now 150 minus 70 minus, अभी कर्ली ब्रैकेट के अंदर क्या आया? 60 minus 50, that is 10, और ये minus 10. Now underline these two. 150 minus 70 minus 10 is 60 minus 10. Now underline these. 150 minus 60 minus 10, 50. Now underline this. You got 150 minus 50 is 100. Is it okay? So we have completed the worksheet 9, the simplification. थोड़ा टफ है मालूम है, लेकिन रूल याद रखने का है. डीमास and brackets में round, then curly, then the square brackets. They have to be solved in that, simplified in that way. And DMAS, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. When addition and subtraction are there, if subtraction is first, then you have to rearrange. Otherwise, the answer will be wrong. Okay? We have completed the lesson. Only the brain teasers is remaining. Hope all the students understood all the 9 worksheets. Okay then, bye. Thank you.